kule game. Sohle sifaka manje ukuze sithole fame. Siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa. Thina sibeka umoya thina kule game. Sohle sifaka manje ukuze sithole fame. Siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa.
Take 2 step back, ngoba songcwalisela ngeke nisimele, ngoba sonjiyandele. Siyamile like I'm in the moon. All the nigga playing side up in cool. I used to play another side in the game. Shy number, basala bekuza sathi lemfana senkinga kakhulu. Buka nezitha seyifuna ukunquma nentwana zami zithi ngiqoba kakhulu. Bebethi ngiyagula abalandeli umkhulu abashaya abanabo bahlanya kakhulu. Bahlanya kakhulu. Bavele bahlanya kakhulu. Siyaqinisa thina kuze sithole fame. Siyabanquma industry kule game. Sipush inamba thina kuze kusekuseni. Ungafisa uqathwa nami ngoba ngidlala kule game.
Thina sibela umoya thina kule game. Sohle sifaka manje ukuze sithole fame. Siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa. Thina sibela umoya thina kule game. Sohle sifaka manje ukuze sithole fame. Siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa, siyaqinisa.
They don't call me Black Blaze when I leave. I've been hustling through the darkness, cause one day I will have the lightness. Yeah, renewal hustle. Hey.
They thought that they can stop us, but Tina so pale umoya. We gotta prove this haters wrong with Tina's pale umoya. We'll always hustling and footing, so there's this fag umoya. We started like game without anything. Don't be jealous, but I'm killing the shit. Because we always respect the hits. Ngeke bengimela bathatha my seat, bebe vula iminyaka bese sivalelwa ngaphandle. Let me say, athukuthela njengolwandle. Making money with my fans, Lord bless my hands. Angisoze ngadakwa yingakho ngaphuthi ngikufake etoilet emnyama ukumnyisa. I'm looking like I'm legend, they're messing with my enemies. Staying with my homies, living with another body. Performing for everybody, hustling for myself. I respect all my friends, but supporting myself when I wasn't something, you were there for me. Hustling and pushing it, those are too less. I'm rapping, I'm trapping, I'm doing the same. Got this as coach, as a I can say, man, I love my haters, say my name. They put me in a chair, but they don't wanna call me king. They don't wanna say I'm dope, me now when I'm the reason. But I ain't care, cause I'll keep on hustling.
Yo, what's up everybody? Thank you all for watching this video. Bafethu ngisacela ukuthi ungene ama descriptions ke lapho ke bafethu kuleyo video leyo ungene ama descriptions akhona uzobona ilink nje ebhaliwe ukuthi Mayipamoza. Inona Black Blaze featuring Toolkid lapho uzobona nje nawe ilink eblue. Zobe blue lapho uthinta yona, mase uthinta yona uzothola iMP3 yakho na kule ngoma bafethu ngiyabonga.